Kumbatit daw namba kasing Kongres uba Ronnie V. Lingdo MLA ka Kongres na William Ubalongru nong yalam kalyang persya ki dorbar tawaan ki jala Meghalaya ulakan tiap non siya kasing NPP da kapa ay ka shiti ino akam ya kasing Kongres pat peniso no yaladi siya kasing NPP ni ka National People's Party da ka jingrung uba Ronnie siya ka NPP menta kalanang klan haba kalayo hadu lai pulai ngut ki MLA siya kalyang jongka. Nakalyang ulampang ke yang darbar tawaan ke jelau Thomas A. Sangma ula pentik nai ke jingrung uba Ronnie siya ka NPP ka balongkat kum ki kendon ke 10 schedule ne ka kernet basipau jong kariti sen syari.
Ka political party kadang kapor ba kakiyo kadang kapor ba kahya. Lesi menta kali kapor ba Congress party kadang hiya. Re kum ka political party kamot ni habbo shwa ya ki paidah kamar. Ne kamot hoi lada ka parti kam dan ban ai kicing sekri upai ba kam dan jumur so alor itai nongren asim kene karai rengkap ini gunung kasyan jang akiwan ini baru khoi ta kicing kemen pati maki kepala ong yang ba ngiling lamun panong ya pirung kam mensyua pamaki ong limnot tapat lai lada dai bakim kasyan ya kim ya hab bakene ka jing ya sno jang ba National People's Party ni NPP kinuman atrai dilara man nakalamayong na kani Yang Hamlet was an excellent. So in fact, both of us taking everything to consideration, like I said, political development, everything. So we have come together to work for the interests of the constituency, of the state in general, and the constituency.
So with your joining, NPP has become
for the stability and development of the state, because sometimes when there's no stability, it affects the development, the governance. And I believe with the stability now, then there is augments well for the development of the state and especially my state.